Hey guys, it's Leica. Today we are unboxing the C922 Pro HD Stream webcam by Logitech. The C922 by Logitech can be mounted two ways. The first way is by mounting it on your monitor. I'm currently recording at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and with no setting changes and no extra equipment for sound quality like an extra mic to use. This is pretty awesome. We've changed settings to the 720p at 60 frames per second to compare the picture quality from the 1080p at 30 frames per second. As you can see, the video quality is not as sharp as the 1080p, but it's not the worst. Logitech C922 is a great product for starting off game streamers, or also work professionals that use online classes or Zoom calls. For $99, I give this product 2 thumbs up, and it's a great overall product. Hi guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe below.